3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
To free up disk space on Windows, begin by accessing the Start menu, right-clicking, and selecting Run. In the Run box, type Prefetch and click OK. Grant administrator permissions if prompted, and once the folder opens, select all files by pressing Ctrl+A and delete them with Ctrl+D. Some files may remain undeletable. This is normal. Next, return to the Run box, type temp, and repeat the process of selecting and deleting all files. Again, certain files might not delete. Follow this with %10% in the Run box to clean the temporary files in this directory as well. After clearing these files, navigate to this PC via the Start menu. Click on the C drive and locate the Windows folder. Within it, open Software Distribution, then Download and delete all files in this folder. Return to this PC. Right-click on the C drive and choose Properties. Under the Tools tab, optimize your drive by defragmenting it, although this step is unnecessary for SSDs. Next, use Disk Cleanup from the Properties menu to clean unnecessary files, including system files. Make sure to select all options and confirm to remove them. Open Command Prompt Admin by right-clicking the Start menu. Use the Command IP Protocol Configuration /flushtons to clear the DNS cache, and then type shresid in the Run box to clear the Microsoft Store cache. This will open the store, confirming that the cache has been reset. With these steps, your system will be optimized for storage and performance.